Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at the DIY proof of concept project, multitasking reminder gadget with electronic calendar, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Imagine a simple gadget that can assist you in your daily life. This device is particularly beneficial for older adults with memory issues, individuals recovering from illness, or students looking to stay organized. The gadget displays the day, date, time using a built-in clock, functioning like a small calendar that never forgets. The best part, it sets reminders. Whether it's time to take medication, study, do homework, play, or go to bed, this device will alert you. If you happen to miss a reminder, no worries. It will send a notification to a phone so someone can check in and offer assistance. This project can be developed by anyone familiar with Arduino, circuit building, and coding. Healthcare professionals can also contribute to its functionality for patients. Additionally, it's a great project for small companies, university students, or hobbyists who enjoy creating gadgets. Are you ready to find out how it works? This is our setup. At the set time, a buzzer will blow and a "Take your medicine" message will be displayed on the LCD screen as a reminder. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. Arduino UNO acts as the main controller, processing data and managing alarms. RTC3231 provides accurate real-time data for reminders. SIM800L GSM module sends SMS notifications if alarms are ignored. The 16x2 LCD I2C module displays reminders, time, and notifications. Buzzer produces an audible alarm to alert users. LED offers a visual alert if the alarm is ignored. Push-to-on switch allows users to stop the alarm and confirm task completion. Resistors protect the LED by limiting the current. 12-volt, 2-ampere adapter supplies stable power to the circuit. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are needed. Start by following the circuit diagram to arrange all the components: Arduino UNO, RTC module, GSM module, LCD, buzzer, LED, switch, and resistors on the breadboard. After assembling the circuit, you'll write code on the Arduino IDE. First, define the pins to which the GSM module is connected. In the setup function, begin the serial monitor and initiate serial communication with the GSM module. Also, enable caller ID notifications. In the infinite loop function, check for incoming calls and verify if the caller's number matches an authorized number. Select the correct port and board for uploading the code. On demonstrating, you will hear a buzzer and a message will be displayed on the LCD as a reminder. Voila, it works. So, what did you learn? How to work with real-time clocks to display and manage time. How to send and receive SMS using a GSM module. How to design a simple user interface for reminders. Interested in developing your own multitasking reminder gadget? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.